Uniting as one, the power of togetherness. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beauty and intricacies of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase that resonates with harmony and unity: come together as one. It's a powerful expression that holds a deep meaning, especially in times when cooperation and solidarity are needed more than ever. So, let's unpack this together and understand why it's such a significant phrase in English. The phrase, come together as one, is made up of a few key components, each carrying its weight in the overall meaning. Come together implies a group of individuals or entities moving or being brought into a closer relationship or location, emphasizing the action of uniting or gathering. The addition of as one enhances this by signifying a unity or harmony that is so complete, the group acts or appears as a single entity or being. It's about blending diverse elements into a unified whole. Why is this phrase important? Come together as one isn't just about physical proximity. It's deeply rooted in the concept of solidarity and collective action. It suggests that despite potential differences, there is a common ground or purpose that is recognized as more important. This phrase can often be found in contexts of peace movements, collaborative projects, and moments requiring communal support, highlighting the strength found in unity. To understand how come together as one is used, let's look at a few examples. In social movements, advocacy groups and communities might use this phrase when rallying for a common cause, emphasizing their solidarity. In music and arts, many songs and artworks celebrate the idea of unity, using this phrase to inspire a sense of togetherness among diverse audiences. In times of crisis, during natural disasters or global challenges, this phrase embodies the spirit of cooperation and mutual support needed to overcome adversity. Come together as one is more than just a phrase. It's a call to action, a reminder of the power of unity, and a beacon of hope for a collective future. As we've seen, it finds its strength in diverse applications, from social movements to moments of shared humanity. It encourages us not just to be in proximity to one another, but to work together, share our strengths, and face challenges with a united front. Thank you for joining us in today's exploration of this meaningful phrase. We hope it inspires you to seek out unity in your own life and communities. Remember, together, we're stronger. See you in the next video.